guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. If you're wondering why I have not vlogged consistently, it's because I have been dealing with a chest infection for the last week or so. I'm coming to the end of the antibiotics I've been on. It's non-contagious, which is great. Regardless, I'm still home alone anyways and I haven't left the house. So I am teaching a class in half an hour and I'm just gonna do my makeup to get ready for it. I had to take a few days off of work, obviously, because I was like wheezing and out of breath, but I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm still, having hauls and drinking plenty of water, trying to rest my voice, which is another reason I didn't vlog for the longest time, because obviously in a vlog, it's better. I don't have to talk, but it's obviously better if I talk, because I did post a vlog wherein I didn't speak at all and it just wasn't it. It just wasn't the vibe. Oh my gosh, my forehead vein is really popping today. Also in Canada, we're dealing with wildfires right now. So even if I wanted to go outside, I probably couldn't for very long. It reeks. It stinks. Speaking of stink, I've also been watching a new show called The Other Two, and it's so funny. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I think it's written by SNL writers and actors, which is hilarious because they're always so funny. But yeah, I have missed vlogging and I've missed talking to the camera and talking to you guys. I've really missed it. I've missed people as well. I had so many plans this week to do in-person classes. I was gonna go into the studio literally every single day, even if I wasn't teaching, just to work on myself. But obviously my health had other plans. But honestly, it's given me a lot of time to reflect and rest and recuperate, but mostly reflect on what I want in life. I know that sounds super cheesy, but I was having a conversation with my mom, and by conversation, I mean I was like in tears on the phone with her, just venting and saying how stressed I am that I'm missing work. But then, I took a minute, we ended the call. I was getting overwhelmed because everybody was asking me, oh, when are you coming back? And, rightfully so, I've missed a lot. So I've just been stressed about going back because, I didn't want to go back too soon and then fall back in terms of my health. So I wanted to prioritize that. But at the same time, I hate letting people down. But I took a minute to think. I called back my mom and I said, you know what, Mom? In this life, we are only here for a short period of time, and you are not defined by what you did or your work. Now, I'm not saying don't go to work. I'm obviously not saying that, but I'm saying prioritize your health. You only have one life and you only have one body. So prioritize your health and prioritize spending your free time with people you love. We were also talking about that and friendships and how difficult it is to make friends as an adult. And I know a lot of you guys can relate to this, because if you're at all in any way like me and you've moved around a ton, or you're getting to that point of your life where you've settled down and moved away from your original hometown, it's freaking hard to make friends. So to that, I say just spend time on the quality friendships and relationships that you have. I used to compare myself a lot to, people I'd see on Instagram. I'd be like, oh my gosh, so-and-so is having a party, and all these people that I used to be friends with, they're all going, and it's in the city, which is a few hours away. I wasn't invited. But then again, I haven't spoken to these people in 10 years, and rightfully so, I shouldn't be invited because they're from a different part of my life, and that's fine. Friendships are like episodes in your life. Sometimes they're there for a period and then they finish and you move on. Totally fine, totally normal, and there's really nothing wrong with letting go of that. I truly believe that friends who are there for your entire life are meant to be, and the friends that aren't there for your entire life are also meant to be. Maybe they were your friends that were your fun friends in your 20s. Maybe they were your friends that were supposed to be there in a rough period and then you guys drifted apart, or maybe they were just your work colleagues and you don't work there anymore, plain and simple, or even your school friends and you don't go to that school anymore. So, oh my gosh, my forehead vein is really popping. But anyways, I did a lot of reflecting while I was sick is what I'm trying to say. And I'm very happy to be able to vlog again. I was also really spinning out because the video that I posted last night that took all night to post only posted 4 minutes worth of content, and I know I filmed 20 minutes worth, so I'm gonna have to re-upload it tonight in hopes that it works tomorrow. And yeah, that was another reason I was just spinning and upset, because I was like, oh, I'm such a failure. But really, like I said, why would you want to be just known for your work? Wouldn't you want to be known for the kind of person you were, kind of friend, the kind of support that you were, the kind of mother, father, sister, brother, whatever? Don't you want to be remembered as you, not what you did? So on that note, I'm gonna go to work soon. And like I said, I haven't been in person. I was actually supposed to go to a bachelorette this weekend right now, so I'm really sad that I can't. But like I said, prioritizing my health now. And honestly, I spent the past few mornings just hacking up phlegm, and that's not a cute look, especially since bachelorette I was supposed to go to as a brunch. Nobody wants phlegm in their mimosas. Anyways, it's also been kind of lonely because Steve has been gone, and he left for his fishing trip this week, or last weekend rather. I've been alone for the past week, and although it's been lonely, I think it's been heightened because I was sick and I had to isolate myself. Like I said, this infection is not contagious, the doctor told me, but still, I'm not gonna go out and cough around. And also, maybe there's other germs flying around. I don't want to make myself sick. Plus, Canada's on fire, so all the more reason to stay at home, relax with my kitten and my dog. On that note, I'm going to get changed because I've been in pajamas all day, and it's already 3 o'clock, and I'm teaching at 3:15. So once I put mascara on, I will change and get ready to teach. Ready to teach. I'm wearing my Blogilates Pop Flex skirt, or skort rather, and I'm gonna wear a sweater on top as well while I teach, but I don't wanna wear anything super tight around my body because of my chest infection. So I'm just wearing a tank top and then I'll wear a sweater on top. And there we go. I'm ready to teach. So I just finished teaching a class, 2 classes online. One of my classes went really long because I was talking to my client, which was really fun and really nice, and I needed that because being home alone and being sick has kind of sucked, and not working, not having human communication. I also need to shave my legs, oh my goodness. I also need to wash my hair, it's very greasy. But honestly, being sick, I just kind of lazed around on the chair, or on the couch, on the chair. I'm feeling a little bit better today, still not 100%, so I'm just gonna do a really easy ballet class and move a little bit before I eat lunch and shower, because I teach tonight 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. Very easy classes as well, because my clients are literal superstars and they know all the materials, so I just have to press play on the music, give them corrections. I don't even have to do really anything physical. I usually like being more physical in my classes so I can show things and show them what I want to see and set different exercises just to keep things fresh. But since I've been sick, I've been trying to take it easy. I also have the entire weekend to rest, so that's another reason I'm gonna do some ballet now so I can feel accomplished. And I am feeling a little bit better after a few days of antibiotics. That being said though, I have a huge mess in this bedroom. I don't even want to show you guys, but because I've been sick, I've not cleaned up. I did a couple loads of laundry yesterday, but I haven't vacuumed because that's way too strenuous. Also, just even making the bed, I just didn't do this morning. So yeah, my life feels like a mess. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit today, probably after I eat lunch, just a little bit, just take it easy. I'm really being easy on myself because I don't want to be sick any longer at all. Again, I'm at the point where I'm not contagious, but I still want to take care of myself. So that's why I'm just doing an easy ballet class with pointe shoes, literally nothing strenuous. I'm not even gonna hold anything for very long. I'm not gonna try to sweat, I'm just gonna move. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that now. posting some silly little TikToks. I have not done makeup or washed my face at all yet. So I'm gonna make lunch first and then shower, wash my face, do my makeup because it's already 1 o'clock and I'm pretty hungry. So I'm gonna eat lunch, maybe watch an episode of The Other Two, which is such a funny show. I'm obsessed. I've already watched almost all 3 seasons within like 3 days. I also watched the entire Queen Charlotte series. There's not much else to do when you're sick other than watch TV, especially if you're home alone. So I'm gonna do that, make some lunch, probably just have leftovers from last night because I had like a vegan turkey burger kind of thing last night. It was okay, to be honest. I prefer the regular burgers. I just got the Eve's one and it's not my favorite for sure in terms of veggie burgers, but it was the only thing that the store had at the time, so I settled for that and it was okay. I might have some pasta for lunch though because I had the burger last night for dinner, so some variety. I really want to put some basil in my pasta, but it's raining outside and I don't want to go outside in the rain, but it's kind of nice to have like fresh herbs, you know? So maybe I'll do that. I'll probably do that. So I just got out of the shower. It's currently 6:30. I just finished teaching my last class that ended at 5, but I took some extra time to catch up on some work things, and I'm gonna do a face mask right now. I'm also doing some laundry and I'm gonna relax for the rest of the evening. It's Friday. I wish I could be more excited because I'm home alone, but then I'm also sick still. I'm feeling a lot better than I have in the last few days. Just hoping that tonight is the first night I don't cough the entire night. That would be great. I would love that, so please. But anyways, I'm going to do a face mask like I mentioned. I'm going to use this face mask from Herbivore. The blue tansy one is my favorite. It smells really good too. It just makes me feel more relaxed. I don't know what the formula is, but it just makes me feel like cooled off, relaxed. So I'm gonna do this and then take out the laundry that I've just put in. Or not just put in, I put in this morning, but I haven't had a chance to take it out and fold it. I'm gonna do that. I can't find my little bunny ears headband, so I need to go look for that. Probably packed somewhere. I also haven't cleaned the house. I'm gonna do that tomorrow probably. I'm really trying to rest as much as I can, and since I taught today, rather than teaching and filming and cleaning, I'm just teaching and filming when I can. Whereas tomorrow I have nothing, so I can clean a little bit then. I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes. It leaves my face kind of like a green tint. It's kind of cool, kind of weird. And I'm gonna go fold the laundry. Also, this sweater is so adorable. It's from Popflex. I always get comments whenever I wear this sweater. I just love this part. It is like the coolest. Another cool thing about it is the pocket's giant. It's also a little bit cropped, which is nice. I love a cropped sweater because that means I can wear my high-waisted jeans or pants. And it's also got the best sleeves. I love these kinds of puffy sleeves. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go do the laundry and yeah. So I've got 2 loads of laundry I have to fold, and I don't really want it to get wrinkled, and I know I said I'd do cleaning tomorrow, but just because I don't want everything to get wrinkled, because I don't want to iron, I'm gonna fold it now while I wait for my face mask to do its job. So let's start with the whites because they're the easiest. All right, it is time to rinse this off. So I'm gonna rinse this off. And I'm just going to apply some moisturizer. For dinner, I think I'm gonna have a fake chicken burger and some veggies and some fries on the side. I might even open a can of beans just for some extra protein. I think I'm gonna order some protein to have in like a protein smoothie as well, just because I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of exercise this summer. Obviously not right now while I'm covering, but I just figure the more protein, the better. And yeah, I'm someone who needs to eat a lot of carbs as well because I burn so much in my job, and I'm somebody who does endurance as a sport, so I definitely need more carbs than anything, but it would just be nice to have like a protein smoothie and that on the side so I don't have to worry about that as well. Obviously still getting protein from good sources such as chickpeas, lentils, quinoa, but if I'm short on time, it might be a nice option to have something that's more on the go where I don't have to rely on either cooking or meal prepping as much because I will be pretty busy this summer, so I might do that later. Order something on Amazon or something like that. But like I said, I'm not going to stray away from eating protein. Absolutely not. Still eating chickpeas, beans, lentils, legumes. I even have dairy in my diet. I'm trying to stay away from it because it keeps me like congested, and that doesn't help with my lungs right now and my chest infection. But on that note, I'm gonna go prepare dinner and then probably watch an episode of Never Have I Ever and maybe an episode of The Other Two. So I am sitting here with my dinner, which is just a veggie turkey burger or chicken burger. And again, it's veggie, so it's vegetarian, but it's just like the simulated meat is made to kind of feel like chicken. I don't know. It was the only one that was at the store. I also have these veggies that I fried up and some delicious French fries that I also air fried up. I'm gonna sit here and watch an episode of Never Have I Ever because I really like that show. It's really good, and I really also like the show The Other Two, although I have to pace myself with it because I'm almost done it. But like I said, I'm gonna eat this and then watch my TV shows. I'm guessing she sees a bunny.